I just received my first Boxy Charm box in the mail. I got it a while back. This is the February box. This is the Valentine's box, but I'm just going to be unboxing today. I hope you guys like my shirt. It's very cute. This is something I would wear to work. It's giving me Beetlejuice vibes, but I love it. It's so fetch. So, here's the box. I'm going to put my referral code in the description as well. Just unboxing her. Ooh. Like I said, it's the Valentine's Day box. It has the prices of the items as well in the back. So, let's see what the box is giving. So, I have in here the Tula Skincare Blackhead Exfoliating Scrub. Comes with a eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna open it up because I want to see what it's giving. Oh, the packaging is so cute on this, right? Okay, the little plastic thing came out. Oh, these colors are popping. I wonder what the color payoff look like. That's pretty great. Ooh. I'm excited. Ooh, that pink. It seems very pigmented. You see it? Okay. New palette. I'm going to do a look because it's a vibe. I like that. Now my hand got... Look like I was playing in something. We got Wonder Lip and Cheek. I don't know what lip and cheek is about. I think it's a lip balm. Seems like a little blush and a balm. Cream blush. Lip balm. And it comes with a mirror. Oh, that's cute. So, that's cute. Got this cleanser from Murad. AHA and BHA. Pretty nice. It smells like. No smell. That's good. Any of my skincare product with no scent, be good. Nail oil. Okay, let me see what it smells like. Smells like rose oil. And eyeshadow kit. Oh, the brushes are cute. They are pink. And look at that. Oh my god, that is so cute. I think I'm going to give this to my sister, the little eyeshadow brush set. It's cute. So, the prices for these items are, the eyeshadow palette was $38.99. The Blackhead Exfoliator from Tula is $32. The cheek and lip kit is $22. And the eye brush kit is $29.95. And the oil is $18. This was a freebie. I put in a code and I got this for free, so I don't know how much it retails for. If I know Sephora, this probably retails for between 30 and 40 bucks. Murad, pretty pricey. So yeah. So I got all of these things in the box for 20. How much was that? I think I got it. I purchased 3 boxes for $75. So February, March, and April. I want to see what it gives before I, commit to a whole year of boxes. But so far, so good. After I get my March box, I'll let you guys watch that video as well and see if I'm willing to go the distance and get boxes for the rest of the year. But for now, this was pretty good. I can't wait to just use this eyeshadow palettes because I can't wait to do a colorful look. So thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned. I'm going to leave my Boxy Charm referral code at the bottom so you guys will be able to purchase. And of course it's going to help me as well because don't we love to help Kartier Phaces? So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video of my next Boxy Charm. Thanks again.